We are Rapid Circle. We are cloud pioneers. We help you achieve what's next. In a continuously changing world, we turn problems into solutions by combining passion for technology with our desire to make a difference. We remove old constraints, guiding organizations to become future-proof. We go above and beyond for our customers, for each other. This is who we are. People making impact, trusted to deliver, ahead of the curve, better together. We help you achieve what's next. We are Rapid Circle.